But you see, I've seen people like they'll go through young men. They'll go through the apprentice program or something. They get cleaned up. They turn into a semi-man, and then they go back to their friends, and they find their friends are stupid. They're really idiots. They lie. They go down roads, mental roads and social roads and stuff like that are just disempowering and stupid. And they don't want to hang out with them, and then they feel bad, because they don't want to hang out with them. And look, find new friends or clean them up. Just tell them, look, hey, this is unacceptable. It's really stupid, They might go for it. If not, find new friends. Yeah, but they're my friends. Well, not really. They're guys you hung out with that agreed with you. And you all shared this kind of stupid agreements and supported each other in a little world together with these agreements. And a lot of the agreements are really kind of stupid and idiotic. And now you notice that. That's what they were. They were never actually friends. And you don't want to do that anymore.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.